Hi everybody, it's me, Miss You, and we are going to be doing the Pear CAM right now. We're going to start off by defining the variables. We're going to go add variables. Of course, our first variable is D, and our length is going to be 2 inches. Our next variable is going to be H, and our length is going to be 0.25. That's H for the hole. And our extrusion is also going to be 0.25. And everything is defined. Great. The next step is we're going to work with arcs. You could also do circles, but I have been doing arcs, so let's do sketch. I'm going to create an arc. First, second, and here we go. There's our circle. I'm going to make the center point to be concentric. Center point of the arc to concentric with center point of the circle. I'm now going to create the radius. The radius is D over 2. If you have a circle, you'll have to do diameter. Okay, and next I'm going to do another arc for on top. It's a smaller arc. Great. And I want to remind we're going to do concentric. The center point of the arc has to be on concentric with the y-axis, and the radius is D over 8. So let's switch to dimensioning it. This is D over 8. Great. And now the distance between the two is D over 2. This is what parametric modeling is. We have one dimension. Everything's referred based on that. So, and this is D over 2. And all that's left are the two lines that need to be tangent. And so I'm going to create a line over here. And I'm going to put on the tangent constraint. Here we go, tangent. So here's my circle. Here's my line. Here's my circle. Here's my line. Great. So that is tangent. Next, I'm going to create another line, and then I'm going to bring it in with the tangents, the tangent constraint. So I'm selecting the line and the circle, and now I'm going to create the circle and the line, and I created tangent points. Now I'm going to use the snip tool, and I'm going to clean it all up. And I have a beautiful Pear CAM. I'm now going to create a hole for it, which we know is 0.25, but all I have to do is go H. Great. And next, we're going to end the sketch. I'm going to extrude it. I'm going to extrude it by 0.25, which is E. And my extrude is done. Let's take a look at it isometrically. Beautiful. Let's change the name. And we're going to call this Pear CAM.